So what we're going to look at next is creating our infrastructure project. Everything we've done so far has had a nice little home. Our controllers live inside our API, our business logic lives inside our application, our database logic lives inside our persistence project, and so far everything's been nice and neat. But what we're going to do now is add a new project called infrastructure. And this is going to contain the code that's kind of cross-cutting and outside of our individual projects we have at the moment. So let's open up our terminal window, and I'm just going to stop my API server and cd upper level into the reactivities folder. And what we want to do here is create a new class library. So I'm going to say .NET new and class lib, and I'm just going to give it a name of infrastructure and press return. And this goes ahead and creates the new class library, and we can see it inside VS Code. And we'll need to add this to our solution. So I'm going to say .NET SLN adds, and then add the infrastructure project into our solution file. And what we want to do now is our infrastructure is going to have a dependency on the application project. So I'm going to cd into the infrastructure project, and we'll add a dependency. So I'll say .NET add reference, and we want to go up to our application project and add our application as a dependency of the infrastructure project. And then I'm going to cd back up into the reactivities folder, and then cd into our API folder, and this one is going to have a dependency on our infrastructure project. So I'm just going to say .NET add reference, and then go up to our infrastructure and press return. So since our application has no dependency on the infrastructure project, what we're going to need to do inside our application project is create interfaces so that we can use the classes that are going to be contained inside the infrastructure class library. And what we're going to do next is create a class and an interface so that we can generate a JWT token. And we'll take a look at that next.